Thank you for joining us today. Currently, over 400 clubs and studios around the globe already use Stage's group display technology. On today's webinar, I'm excited to present our newest offering in group display called StagesStudio. My name is Laurel, and I've been with Stages almost as long as the company has been in business, since 2009. I'm the Global Director of Marketing and Education, focused on our indoor products. If you're looking to take your studio classes to the next level by adding group display, want to upgrade your group display offering, or looking to add a little something extra to your rhythm and/or power classes, you're in the right place. Today we'll take a look at how our StagesStudio products can help your studio realize its potential. First, I'll introduce you to our Stages Cycling brand and what makes us unique. We'll look at group display and some compelling stats that really tell the story of how important that piece of indoor cycling has become. We'll dig into the StagesStudio product itself, along with some of the software and hardware requirements. And last, I'll introduce you to StagesStudio Now, our latest innovation. At its core, Stages Cycling is one of the world's largest manufacturers of bikes, power meters, and technology, and actually we're the world leader in power meter sales. Decades of knowledge and experience make us experts in the industry. Stages engineers actually made the first Johnny G spin bike in 1992. Several people on our design and engineering teams are world-class athletes. Stages Power is the power meter of choice for the best outdoor athletes and teams around the world, and our SC3 indoor bike is the one chosen by the most elite clubs and studios, such as David Lloyd, Lifetime, Equinox, and several others.
100% cycling to me means that we are solely focused on what we are best at. We know the cycling industry, whether that is indoor cycling now with SIC, whether that's the power meter business and being able to supply power meters to some of the world tour teams. We know cycling. We take the knowledge that we already have about the industry and we combine that with a lot of the feedback and a lot of the lessons that we've learned over the past 4 years to build up this incredible knowledge base about our products and how we want to move forward. Along with that, we're able to be creative about the new solutions for our facilities out in the world, for our international distributors, on how to take all of that knowledge, put it into new products that are going to excite people and be able to enhance what we want to do in the indoor world. The passion that we see within our company as a whole, no matter where those people are located, whether it's in Portland, in Boulder, around the world, really shows passion on a daily basis because we're able to take what we love, which is cycling, indoor cycling, being data nerds, whatever it may be, and really being able to put that into this product that we want to put out into the world. At the backbone of Stages Indoor Cycling is being able to educate people about what it is we do, what we measure, and the benefits that they can get from that, which I don't see from any other business.
Now let's take a look at some compelling data taken from recent surveys from various sources. The overwhelming takeaway is that group exercise programming is invaluable to maximizing customer retention, which of course is at the core of your studio's success. According to a club industry report on member engagement and retention, globally, 85% of members visit their facility at least twice a week, specifically to engage in group classes. In addition, 43% visit 4 times a week for the same purpose. Now let's look more closely at member retention. Les Mills reports that group exercisers who visit your club just 1 time per week are 20% more likely to be loyal members than those who visit 3 times per week and only work out on the gym floor and don't engage in any group classes. The same Les Mills study showed that members' risk of cancellation is a massive 56% higher among members who just use the gym floor versus those who engage in group exercise. So what do these numbers mean for your studio's bottom line? Research done by Bain & Company found that increasing member retention rates by only 5% in turn increased profits from 25% upwards of 95%. Here's one more whopping stat from the club industry report on member engagement and retention. It costs 9 times more to acquire a new member as it does to retain an existing one. So again, the obvious takeaway here is that it literally pays to offer group exercise options. And even better, make those group experiences personalized to your members so they can track improvements over time, engage them, and keep them motivated. Now let's dive into the details of StagesStudio.
Bring power, party, and progress to your cycling studio. Book a bike to customize your journey. Color match the class plan for the perfect training at your ideal intensity. Celebrate your effort and track your fitness. Power, party, progress.
StagesStudio runs on the Stages Cloud platform. Let's take a look at what that means and dig into more information about the StagesStudio ecosystem. Welcome to Stages Cloud, the central hub for all things StagesStudio. Whether it's in-person or live-stream virtual classes, users, instructors, and club admins have all the tools they need to manage their personal journey. Users can change their settings, see their workout stats, book a class, and reserve a bike. Instructors have access to the ultimate class planning tools. Club admins have the ability to manage their location, all from one place, one website, one dashboard. All of this sets the stage for the class experience to come to life. Now this is where StagesStudio gets fun. Maybe you're just looking for something really simple, or just starting to implement group display. Or perhaps you're already invested in group display and you're looking to level up the excitement in your classes. No matter how large your studio, how dynamic your brand, how basic or involved your need, we have a solution for you. Empower your instructor team with the tools to deliver unparalleled classes featuring your studio's vision. Customize your brand experience by selecting one of 3 StagesStudio options. Our core StagesStudio product, StagesStudio Pro, delivers everything you need for a complete class display experience to keep your classes engaged and coming back for more. Riders follow the class roadmap with color-coded intervals prescribed to their own ability based on FTP. Instructors plan classes with minimal prep from home or on-site and can practice their masterpiece from wherever they choose. Riders receive post-workout email summaries and can track their progress over time. Operators get a behind-the-scenes studio monitor to direct them toward preventative maintenance actions. No need or desire for group display? You can still benefit from StagesStudio Lite, which simply offers behind-the-scenes monitoring, no group display or bike consoles needed. Riders receive post-workout email summaries. Want to get really fancy? Level up to StagesStudio Pro Plus, which adds video capability for a fully immersive visual experience. Looking to extend the same engaging experiences to your members at home or wherever they might be? Check out our new StagesStudio Now app. Simplicity is the name of the game with StagesStudio. A typical install happens in about 4 weeks, including a virtual training for your entire instructor team. You can also opt into a live training. You pay no money down, and there's no upfront hardware cost for the system. All we ask is a 1-year commitment to a monthly StagesStudio subscription. Of course, you'll need to invest separately in a few typical group display components, which will include a TV screen or projector system, a sound system if you don't already have one, and a tablet for your instructors to teach from. All the parts listed here, the NUC or computer, PoE switch, WASP, and wireless access point are included with your StagesStudio installation. It's as simple as that. There's one more exciting part to StagesStudio I'd like to mention. It's called StagesStudio Now. Many gym and studio members around the world are now working out from home, and based on data, at least 50% of them say they will continue to do so for at least the near future. Does your studio need a solution for serving those members as well? Coming soon in mid-2021, we'll be launching technology that allows you to reach your members at home, giving you live stream and on-demand capabilities. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about StagesStudio. You'll receive an email communication from us shortly. Simply reply to the communication or book an appointment with my colleague, Kristen Markey, if you have any questions about StagesStudio or StagesStudio Now. We'll be sure to contact you right away. Thanks again, and have a wonderful day.